Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a very short grain hopper train. Let's check it out on the oil city track it as. Yep, short one here today. Yep, that's a really short one. Alright, we're gonna get off. I might get rid of that one video because it's because you're not moving much on the last video. That's what I did, so.
Do you think they're going to Oil City?
I don't know if they're going, but we'll find out. We're gonna get off. I'm gonna get rid of that last video. And we'll get back on with the next train. Talk to you later.